Friends, welcome back to my channel. So as we discussed in our previous videos, this will be the resistance area if market comes from here. If market crosses below this level, then it will give a good downfall. The area will be acting as support and resistance. So it acted as support. So now we'll be making our new support and resistances and decide what to do next. So new support and resistances have been modified. So now our next step would be if market crosses here above this level. Okay, if it crosses above this level, we'll be taking as buy on dips, and if it crosses below here, it will be giving us a fall. Okay, so this area will be acting as volatile zone, so it's better not to take here. Okay, above it we'll be getting a good area for buying, and below it we'll be getting for good shorting opportunities. Next target is Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, as we discussed, I told you about this area that market will come here, take sharp resistance from here, and will take support from here, or it can go upside and give a sharp down move and then go up. So exactly what I said, it performed exactly. So it made this type of pattern, gave sharp downfall, then made a W pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and then gave sudden sharp fall here, and then now we'll be taking a good. So now it's taking support. So now we'll be taking a trade here. I'll be marking new support and resistances, and support and resistances have been modified until and unless market comes here or crosses here like this, you don't have to take any trade. Okay, until and unless it makes this type of pattern, you don't have to take a buying opportunities. If it comes here and makes a resistance pattern, means a bearish pattern, if it makes here a bearish pattern, then we have to short from here to here. This will be the target. This is a classic buying opportunity, but here. Okay, until and unless it crosses this level, you don't have to short or look for shorting opportunities. Okay, below this you have to look for shorting opportunities. Gold, this goldy buy, as we discussed, below it you'll be getting a shorting opportunities. We got a shorting opportunity from here, and then chances were it might take support from here, or it may cross here and come completely downwards. Okay, so it took support from our this area, it took support, and now it's crossing. So now it's crossing and it is at a very good place to buy. So you can take a buying opportunity, or you can take a buying trade from here, and the target will be upside. Okay, so nothing more. We'll modify this support and resistance of ours. So new support and resistances have been modified, and you have to take it. Trade, it's crossing, you can take trade here, and the target will be here. Trail SL very tightly, and no need of using half quantity. Okay, if it crosses below here, then you have to take in half quantity, and below it you have to take in full quantity sell. Otherwise, until and unless it crosses this level, it remains here. You have to take trade on the upside only. Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty people, Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty also, same as I said, we have to take trade here. If it crosses, this will be the target, and in half quantity. Okay, everybody has taken trade, and this trade, once it crosses, it gave our target and took resistance. It will give a sharp resistance. I didn't predicted it, but we are expecting a good fall because the angle is very bearish. In the weekly analysis, I told about this area, and in the analysis, I told this might make a bearish angle, and once a bearish angle gets made, then high chances that it will come here. Okay, and very sharp fall like this, like I made here. Okay, so new support and resistance will modify, and then chances are that we'll get a shorting opportunity in this week only. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. This area will be acting as a resistance. Okay, once it crosses, if market comes here, takes resistance here, you can short. Until and unless it crosses this level, you don't have to buy. Okay, look for buying opportunities above this level only. This will be a no trade zone because highly volatile. No trade. Okay, if market stays in this zone, you don't have to trade. Below it you can short, and above it you can buy. Simple as that. In crude also, as we discussed if market closes below it, you can short here, and if it stays above it, you can take quantity, but in half. Okay, it's making it, and it has given good trade above this level only. Okay, above this level you are getting a good trade, but it's a volatile zone. Might be getting your SL hit. Take trades 2 to 3 times only, because after that it becomes volatile, and we have to follow our risk management and rules. Okay, so new support and resistances will be remaining same. Nothing change here until and unless it performs. It goes here or here. And Sensex. In Sensex also, whatever I said exactly happened as per analysis. I told you above it, it has chances to go up. It went, but not completely above. Okay, it went here and then took resistance, and it's coming down. So new resistance and support will be the exactly same. And this here, if it crosses below it, then you can look for shorting opportunities. And until and unless it crosses this level, you can look for buying opportunities. So if you like my video, if you like the video, like and share, friends. Thank you.